what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Thank you all so much for taking the time to tune back into the channel. Really quick before we jump into the content, if this is you on the screen right here in the non-subscribe percentile, please help me out and help me reach my goals of 250,000 subscribers by just clicking the subscribe button and then the post notification bell icon. Doing those two things will definitely help a channel, and if you want to help out even more, just drop a simple like up on this video. Let's go ahead and smash 2,000 likes because you guys know we're here with the daily content. I wanted to take some time today to hop in my 2022 Mustang Mach 1 Maverick, and you guys know this car is still relatively new to me, and there's a couple features with these newer Mustangs and the Mach 1s in particular that I haven't really messed with. Two of them in particular, one being the no lift shift feature, which we are going to showcase today, and then the second is going to be the launch control. I know that feature isn't really brand new, but the Mach does have one in particular that I want to say is pretty exclusive to the Mach, and that is going to be the factory no lift shift feature. Ford was like, okay, track car, we need to have launch control, no lift shift, and it is really cool. Honestly, it's very, very cool. So the no lift shift feature, I have tried it, I have done it. It is mediocre. The auto rev match feature, I do it all the time. I'm actually an addict and I burn through a ton of gas doing it because it's just so precise and so perfect, which I know a lot of people that like to actually drive their cars and heel toe around corners and rev match themselves. Like I was the same way. Like with Lucifer, my S197, I have to manually rev match that car, which is no big deal. Like it's perfect. But once you have like a little taste of the auto rev match feature, it's really hard to kick and click off that option. So we have been using that. I've been enjoying it a lot. And if you guys checked out yesterday's video, we did post a video. We did upgrade the suspension on Maverick here and we took it out and tested it on some windy roads. My God, these Mach 1s are absolutely amazing. But no lift shift feature, done it, tried it, in the books. Auto rev match feature, done it, still do it, in the books. Launch control, wee bit nervous. We got to do it today. Launch control is on, as I just mentioned, and then if you actually go to RPM, you can set it. So right now we have it set at 3,000. You can go to 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's see what actually, oh my God, we can bring it all the way up there. Oof. I would imagine Ford has put this, feature in the car itself through trial and error, and they have deemed it, to work great without breaking stuff. Just to show a little example, you're gonna go and push the clutch in, put it into first, and then you're just gonna give it gas and it should hold the RPM. As you can see, it is holding no matter how much gas I give it. I don't know if I should try to launch the car at 3,000 first, just to get a feel for it and to see how it reacts, or if I should just go 3,500 or 4,000, I don't know. Yeah, let's go and try our first launch control. When I was actually invited out by Ford to Barrett Jackson, you guys probably saw the video where I rode with a, Ford Performance professional driver in one of their Machs, and it's kind of what solidified the deal in me wanting this car more than anything. With the 3 runs they gave us, they did do 1 run starting off with the launch control on, a completely stock car. So I do have faith in it, and I think I'm actually gonna go and set the car to 3,000. I'm gonna see how it feels first, and if I feel like the car just bogs out and falls on its ass, then we'll go and put it up a little bit. But I just want to play it safe, and like I said, from my understanding, you just gotta dump and run. So we're gonna give this our first go here. Let's hope for the best, and I'm gonna take it a little easy on this first one just for trial purposes. So got our clutch in, we're in first. Here we go. I didn't really like the way that felt. I'm gonna be honest with you, it wheel hopped its ass off, which is expected in these S550s, but yeah, I don't think that's good for the car in any way, shape, or form, wheel hopping like that. Oh God, it does not like that. That no lift shift is a beauty, I will say. The throws in this Tremec are pretty long. Definitely want an MGW for it, but that feels so much better. And you can probably tell the whole feature with the no lift shift, the idea behind this feature is to shift faster without having to quote unquote cut power. Like, if you know, when you typically shift and while you're trying to race the car, you lift the gas, shift, and then you back on the gas as fast as possible. So with the no lift shift though, the idea behind it is to keep the gas pedal mashed, and when you shift, the car knows from the factory to cut the ignition. And it's like, you know, I don't know the timing behind it. That's kind of why I said this feature is kind of meh, because with the Wattbox or M2NB or whatever people use, you can actually go on the computer and self-tune how quick, how long it cuts the ignition. And you know, if you shift super fast, then you could kind of dial it in for your shifting speed and get the absolute most out of the no lift shift feature using an M2MB or whatever. But with the factory stuff, I think you are completely set at whatever the factory, you know, ignition time cut is. And it's kind of unfortunate because I tried it the other day, and I'm going to show you on camera. I went from second into third, and I was really like banging the gears as fast as I can while no lift shifting, and I could feel a really big hesitation / delay in, you know, the car cutting the power. Which, take it for how you will. Yeah, the feature's really cool, but if you think you can go faster than the no lift shift feature without having it turned on, then you know you're gonna want to go with that. It's a little hard to explain. You gotta see it firsthand. So we're gonna try that. Check out auto rev match. It's like perfect. It's as smooth as butter. Another auto rev match. It's perfect. Like, once you go to this, you can't look back. So before we hop on the highway, I want to ask you guys if there's any other like POV type of videos you guys want me to film and produce during the weeks. Please let me know. Give me some suggestions in the comments. I love hopping in the car with a camera and just kind of, you know, talking while driving. So if this is something you guys want more of, we can make that happen. But you have to give me some ideas and, you know, throw some ideas that are out there. I'm down to take some of these ideas and mash them up and, you know, create some cool videos, some newer type of videos. And, you know, just 5 videos a week, man, Monday through Friday. That's the goal. So all suggestions are definitely greatly appreciated. And I just want to drive this car and film for you guys. That's all I care about doing. And this thing just cuts so smooth, especially with the new Steeda dual race springs. And please help me out. Go watch that video after this video. We posted it yesterday. I honestly didn't think a Mach 1 from the factory with the handling package could get better, but Steeda proved me wrong big time. And that is a state trooper. Let's not play with him. Hello, officer. Nothing to see here. Let's have some fun on this exit. Woo! She hooks so well. And this thing is, it's a big old bend right here. Oh my God, 70 miles per hour. Jeez, man, like nothing. Oh, thank God for those 6 pistons. That would have been ugly. I know back in the day with Lucifer, my 2013 GT, with a stock clutch, a stock shifter, and, you know, stock transmission, the MT82, the high RPM lockout was an absolute menace, and it would ruin just so many beautiful poles and trying to race, and it was just a mess. If you revved it to like 7,000 and above, good luck getting that thing to go into gear without locking you out. So with the Mach 1 having that factory twin disc paired up with the 6-speed Tremec, it's almost, you know, a baller setup straight from the factory, and the high RPM lockouts don't really seem to exist with these anymore. So that's amazing. I want to go and give you guys a nice little second into third into fourth no lift shift and try to describe to you what I feel when no lift shifting with the stock feature. I'm gonna try to explain it to the best of my ability, but I think if this stock feature was like tunable or adjustable, it'd be a lot better. But we'll give her a go. And I'm not gonna lift. So it definitely works well. It works well, don't get me wrong. I just think if the feature was kind of adjustable like the launch control, as in like the timing and how long it cuts spark, it would be a little bit faster because, you know, when it hits gear, you can feel a delay before the power actually cuts back on. I don't know if that makes sense or if anybody here has tested that themselves, but if you have, let me know what you think. And I also understand that I'm nitpicking a really cool factory feature. But you know, at the end of the day, I always told myself this car isn't meant to go in a straight line. We got some police. So I just got done beating the piss out of this.
You were just beating the piss out?
Did the launch control, no lift shifting. It's fun stuff. It's okay, it's a little scary.
Scary?
A little bit. The launch control, because it wheel hops its ass off. Do.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. That's IRS for you though. But, you beat on yours yet?
Later, the first day after we got it.
Really?
I ripped that bitch.
Oh man.
Like a 40 roll against my dad and my mom's car.
Oh really?
Yeah.
We just pulled up on Jaeger here. These two look so sick together, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed all the features that the Mach 1 has to offer, including the handling alone. It's just an amazing car. If you were to just choose one of the options, as in the auto rev match, the no lift shift, or the launch control, which one would you take over all three? Me personally, I think I'm sticking with the auto rev match. I'm just hooked on that right now. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you wanna see with the Mach 1. And again, thank you all so much for the support. Go watch yesterday's video for me, run it up. It's in the description and pinned comment, and subscribe, like. Peace out. We'll see you later.